Up. Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is me, Ray Christian.
And this is Rian.
So today we're gonna be playing fish. If you don't know what fish is, you gotta play it. It's pretty fun.
I fall.
Bro, sit down.
I can.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna tayo.
Oh no. Guys, you have to reset. Let's go. I have to refresh.
Refresh. What?
It's gonna be go. Okay, I'm gonna join Rian.
Lili ba ako Kuya, i-help mo ako dito i-pull. Okay. Isinak mo! I-help mo ako dito. Ikaw na. Ikaw na. Na-stuck na.
Oh my gosh. Yo, guys.
Why you put that there? About here.
Oh my God.
Fish. Iba na lang.
Okay, let's go.
Wait, okay.
Oh wow, and they went back to ancient isles. What the heck?
Go to me. Come on.
Go to me. I'm gonna go to Rian, guys. Oh my gosh, bro. Why is the zipline not ziplining?
Pupunta ka talaga sa water.
Return to brother.
Nag-spawn ako sa bahay ko.
Of course, bro. Of course. Of course, Rian. Nagsispawn ka talaga sa bahay mo. Bahay mo daw. Hindi mo naman ito bahay. Hindi mo naman yung bahay, ah.
Bahay ka. At bahay. Buyakan. Kano ba yung boat?
Gentle
Kano yung boat,
breeze.
kuya? Kano?
Boat?
Mm-mm.
Baka 50,000. At kailangan mo pa level 50. You need level 50 to get this jet ski. Which is probably the fastest boat. Or maybe the submarine. It's 182. Rian, I'm here.
What? Who are you? Kuya, get out that fish. I can't see for that fish. May fish na lang kaya niya. Kukuha.
I'm going to Forsaken Shores. I mean, we are going. Because that's the where we get the captain. I don't know. We're just gonna call it Captain Goldfish. Oh wait, I could just see it in my bestiary. Let's go in bestiary.
3 level na ako.
Jailstorm.
Pupunta ako sa mga ibang island.
Challenges deep. Nope. Desert deep. Nope. For second source. The golden seahorse and captain's goldfish.
What?
Oh my gosh. Actually, I'm pretty close. It's captain's, not captain goldfish.
I love this game. Like 0 stars? Oh, hey! So good. What? How are you doing? I'm gonna go up and up. Hanggang I fall. I'm just gonna fall. I still have a ladder.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. I lost my streak because of my sister.
Who cares? I don't care. I'm just gonna fish you. Nandapit na ka to.
Oh yes.
Wait, okay?
Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. It means it's the golden seahorse or...
Lordy! I died.
See?
Dito ba ako re-respawn?
Nope.
What? Kuya, suntok mo ko ulit.
What did I told you? You're gonna fall and die.
Kuya, kasi. Come on, fish.
I thought you have swimming. You're a swimming master.
In real life, not in that. Change your master! Yes, sir. Good fun. Change your master! They say, good fun. Lasagna.
Sorry guys, he's just blabbering gibberish.
Lasagna. Kuya ka ba?
Eh. Oh my gosh. I never seen a green. Oh.
Kuya, I want you to slay lollipop.
Okay. You guys, let's go. Let's go. I have 400. So let's go back. Let's go get to my jet ski and enchant my king's rod. Wait,
What
steady.
is this tree?
It's the new update, bro.
Of this tree?
Of course, it's the second sea. Oh my gosh, I feel like fish is copying Blackstrolls. But it's actually not.
Kuya, gabi na? Sa'yo? Ako
No.
morning. Yay, master. Kuya, about you sundot na.
Bro is not Riz.
What?
Bro.
What is
Oh
the meaning
no.
of this?
Okay. King's Rod is pretty good. It's pretty good.
I love Blackfoot.
King's Rod is pretty good.
But I just took.
Rian doesn't have it, so let's go. You guys where did I get King's Rod? Here, let's go. First, let me enchant. Let me enchant my. You know. Big enchantment. So first, let's go where I get. Behind this, there's the king's rod for 100,000.
I have that.
You need 100,000. You don't have it. You have the flimsy rod.
Who cares?
Flimsy.
Who cares, guys? Right?
Okay, please hasty. Long. What the heck? Resilience by 20. Progress speed with 5. Okay, let's go, guys.
I'm so sleepy.
Okay, let's go.
What is this?
Okay, steady.
Wait, I'm logging. I'm just gonna restart.
Big pale tang. Oh my gosh, it's pretty good. Big pale tang.
Because I just go behind and behind. Master. Yeah, but you just sundot me. Sundot me, please.
No.
Yes.
Oh no.
I got.
Long King restaurant. Let's go.
What is? Are you just not sundot me? Ding, 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 ding. Bakit nagkakagad?
It's actually sunset.
Wait, I bet I just sundot my answer. Sorry.
Oh my god.
Singing master. Yeah.
Yo guys, what fish do you want to have? Me, I want to have probably the new Scylla. The Scylla.
What are you saying?
I'm here. Oh my.
Wait, okay. Wait, go.
Oh my god. So guys, subscribe because I'm getting Rian is not good. Subscribe if Rian is not that good.
The next.
Subscribe if Rian is so bad at this game.
See you in the next video.
Rian's POV is so. He has the film.
Oops, my baby. I woke up in my head. Oops, we woke up early and say I could get the better mistake. Oops, my baby.
Oh, I forgot.
I woke up in my head. Oops, we woke up.
Meg, I thought that was a Meg. That's actually Staglodon.
Perfect.
If that was a Meg, nah, I would just rush through. Rush it, rush it.
What? What? Sige, wait lang.
Okay, we're gonna end the video, guys.
Wait.
So,
Wait. You know.
if you want more fish, comment down below or just subscribe.
Yeah. And see you in the next
Video.
Bye.